Today, we're diving deep into a head-to-head comparison between two titans of the ultra-high-performance tire world, the Bridgestone Turanza 6 and the Pirelli P Zero PZ4. The Bridgestone Turanza 6, launched in 2023, aims to redefine the UHP category with its blend of cutting-edge technology, comfort, and durability. On the other side, we have the Pirelli P Zero PZ4, a tire renowned for its exceptional wet and dry performance and precise handling. Let's see how these contenders stack up against each other. In wet conditions, the Pirelli P Zero PZ4 excels, stopping 4.2 meters shorter than the Bridgestone Turanza 6 during braking tests from 100 kilometers per hour. The Pirelli also outshines in wet handling, maintaining a higher average lap speed of 77.2 kilometers per hour compared to the Bridgestone 73.9 kilometers per hour. And when it comes to aquaplaning resistance, the Pirelli again has the edge with a slipping speed of 104.4 kilometers per hour, slightly higher than the Bridgestone's 102.3 kilometers per hour. On dry roads, the Pirelli P Zero PZ4 continues to lead, needing only 34 meters to come to a complete stop from 100 kilometers per hour, while the Bridgestone Turanza 6 requires 35.7 meters. In terms of handling, the Pirelli maintains an average lap speed of 121.3 kilometers per hour, outperforming the Bridgestone's 118.2 kilometers per hour. This superior grip and control make the Pirelli a top choice for performance driving on dry surfaces. But when it comes to longevity, the Bridgestone Turanza 6 shines. It boasts a lifespan of 40,400 kilometers, significantly outlasting the Pirelli P Zero PZ4's 32,800 kilometers. This extended wear life makes the Bridgestone a more durable option, ideal for drivers seeking long-term value. In terms of noise, the Bridgestone Turanza 6 also takes the lead, generating only 72.4 decibels compared to the Pirelli P Zero PZ4's 73.7 decibels. This lower noise level contributes to a more comfortable and serene driving experience, especially on long journeys. When we talk about rolling resistance, the Bridgestone Turanza 6 is more efficient, with a resistance coefficient of 7.13 versus the Pirelli P Zero PZ4 8.33. Lower rolling resistance means better fuel economy and reduced CO2 emissions, making the Bridgestone the greener choice. In summary, the Bridgestone Turanza 6 excels in mileage, noise, and rolling resistance. On the other hand, the Pirelli P Zero PZ4 excels in wet and dry performances. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.